Moo say moo wow. Okay. Count me in, babe. From 3, babe. Count me in. 3, 2, 1. Action. Wow.
Me a beg you, who am I guide them father? Make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me Jehovah, Father protect your soul. Can't stop me coming out to clean.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to be trying out on camera this Dead Sea Mud Mask from Yeouth Skincare. If you haven't seen the videos that I posted on their other skincare products, I'll put some cards throughout the video and I'll put some links in the description box below if you want to check that out. Today I have their Dead Sea Mud Mask. On the label it says that it has hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, colloidal oatmeal, and avocado oil. Okay, and I did a unboxing for this, or like a low-key unboxing on the live that I did, like I think that was last month, but I already used it. I've been using it. I haven't used it too many times because my skin was acting crazy. I got some new soap from this place and it kind of messed my skin up. You know, right after I bought the black soap, I ended up getting some other like vitamin C cleanser, and yeah, it gave me some bumps, so whatever, I had to stop using that. But anyways, let me go ahead and put this mask on before I get into the details of the product. And I don't really have on makeup right now. I just have on eyebrows and eyeliner and some highlights, so I'm just gonna put the mask over it. But it smells like Play-Doh. I mean, I think it's supposed to smell like clay, but yeah. So the directions say to apply an even layer of Yeouth Dead Sea Mud Mask to clean dry skin. Oh, okay, well my skin is supposed to be clean. Avoiding the eye and lip area. So I'm gonna avoid my eye and lip area. And it says leave on for 15 to 20 minutes or until completely dry, and then rinse off with water. For best results, use 3 times a week. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. Oh. Tuck that down. Don't even mind that. Don't even mind that, because that's not what's important. What's important right now is the Yeouth Dead Sea Mud Mask that you came here to watch today. Okay, so I got my flat foundation brush and I'm just applying that even layer into my face, avoiding my eye and what was it? The lip area. Alrighty, so like I said, don't even mind this little area right here or whatever. This video is not about hair, it's about face, skincare, mud mask, Yeouth Dead Sea Mud Mask. So I didn't really know what to expect, but it is tingling a little bit. I don't know if that's normal. So let's get into the details. Now, this Yeouth Dead Sea Mud Mask with hyaluronic acid, aloe, oatmeal, and avocado oil minimizes pores, reduces wrinkles, clears blackheads, acne, and helps oily skin and rejuvenates oily skin. This mud mask for this 8-ounce container is only $18.95. I literally used it a couple of times because I was trying to wait for my skin to clear up from that other soap that I told you that I got. Matter of fact, oh no, it's in my bathroom. I don't even feel like going to get it. But not the African black soap, but this other soap that I got recently, I started using. You know, I'm just getting into skincare, so I'm trying to I thought I was trying to try new products, but for now, I'll stick to my black soap and my Yeouth skincare. It's been doing pretty good. My skin's been pretty straight or whatever. And we're gonna see what this mud mask does. Like from now on, I'm going to start using it 3 times a week because that's what it suggests. And I'm gonna let you all know what it's doing for my skin or whatever. It says that I'm supposed to leave it on for 15-20 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave it on. And if anything crazy happens, I guess I'll get back on. But if not, I will do an update video and let you all know how all of these Yeouth skincare products are working on my skin. I know that I did a video around New Year's, but I really wanted to go into detail, and I wanted to show you all like exactly what I did to clear my skin up. So yeah, pretty easy. You put the mask on, you let it sit 15-20 minutes, and you rinse it off. You use it 3 times a week, and you should have less wrinkles, less blackheads, and less greasy skin, I guess. I don't know, whatever. A big shout out to Yeouth Skincare for sending me this product. You can check them out on Instagram at Yeouth Skincare, or you can check them out on their website at www.yeouth.com. Once again, big shout out to Yeouth Skincare, and I also want to give a big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much. Mwah.